Cheers.
Hi, I'm Shezz.
I'm Gav.
And this is our Beneteau Oceanis 430. We made our dream a reality. Welcome aboard to Astrid the Wombat. Okay, we've got a problem on Astrid the Wombat this morning. Our Dometic fridge is not going cold. The lights are on, but it's not cold, and I've just had to empty it out because you can see there all the lights are working, but it's just not cold. But look, mold. So that's disgusting. So yeah, it's just nothing. That's gross too, and we don't actually know why. So yeah, critical thing here for us. We do have the other deep fridge up here, but basically that one's not going cold. Have you got any guesses, babe, as to why?
Thermostat, maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
It's called a thermistor.
Oh.
It's a thermostat and a resistor combined in the Dometic fridges.
Lovely.
So you know,
Yeah, no,
it's the thermistor, and you can replace it, and that's one of the reasons why it doesn't go cold from my research. But yeah, we're not too sure, so I need to clean all the mould out, and we need to figure it out.
It's too rough, eh?
Hard to believe that we're still finding stuff on this boat, but I've just cleaned out this cupboard here. I was looking for a manual for the fridge or something, and I found, I've lost it, oh, here it is. I found a bike pump in there. Just keep on finding more and more stuff. Hey guys, we are on the boat this morning doing a couple of jobs. So you might recall that the fridge failed and stopped working. It was, the lights were on, but it wasn't cooling. So we had a guy come out and look at it yesterday, and it was the control module had actually burnt out on it, and it's probably because it's overheated. There's no ventilation around the fridge. So we're out here this morning to remedy the lack of ventilation. This is my tradie that's got a suspect earring. Would you like to explain what you're about to do?
Yep, I'm about to take this off my ear.
Show it. Oh, it's gone.
Because it was silly.
So you can see here, it is in tight, this fridge. So yesterday they pulled it out to be able to look at it. It's got some ventilation at the bottom there, but there's ply along the top, so it's not really ventilation. And up here it gets really, really hot, like even now you can feel on here the heat. And so we're going to drill some holes up here to get the ventilation going. So what are you measuring?
I want to measure past the fridge so that we don't drill into the fridge, we drill in behind it. No, goey.
Oh.
That's not good.
Flat battery.
Yeah. Lucky we've got a spare one.
Good job, babe, having a spare one ready.
I know. Oh. And if we put this one on charge, it'll be good for the future. What could I say? Big two. Oh, that's hot.
I'll turn it off here.
How many holes do you reckon?
I don't know. What have you done?
11.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get right up in there. Look at that, eh, everyone? Holes. So there you go, everyone. There's some holes. Or we like to call them professionals. Us professionals like to call it a vent, because that's the best vent that we're going to get. There you go.
Good job, babe.
Yeah, thanks everybody.
So,
Especially all you.
so what's our plan now with it?
We're going to charge this torch up.
Yeah.
We're going to take this over there.
Now, what's our plan with the vent? So we're going to just wait and see if that's enough.
Oh, I reckon chuck the shit in there, chuck whatever you want to cool in there. Like drinks, whatever. We'll do it well.
Okay.
If it doesn't work, we'll claim it on warranty.
Okay.
Alright, come with me on a tour into my tool shed. And there's my screwdrivers. I need that. Oh, now we're going into here. And we're installing a new fan. And the reason why we're taking down a perfectly good fan and replacing it with a perfectly good, much more expensive fan is because we were coming into dock and everything was going really well, and then until we heard this scream, and then our little Grandy Rosie decided she was going to stick a finger into that one, and she took off the top of her finger, which wasn't great. Lots of blood and lots of crying and lots of trying not to smash into other boats as we were coming into port. So anyway, lashed out and bought a nice Sirocco fan that's not going to cut a finger. And there we have it. Pull it in the box. We'll chuck it in. Make it non-finger cutting. So I'd never installed one of those fans before. And I thought it would be easy. You just wire it up and chuck it in, but you have to put the plate on. You have to put the wiring through the plate. The wiring wasn't long enough through the back, but you'll see all that in a sec. And there we go. So it was more difficult than what I thought. It took longer than what I thought, but I feel good that it was in that back cabin.
guess what's arrived?
What? What
You
is
said
it?
you wanted some door handles, some cupboard handles, didn't you?
Yeah, normal standard good boat ones.
Yeah,
Just standard boat ones, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. That's awesome.
It's a boat one.
Yeah.
And
Just a standard, everyday, or normal boat one. Yeah.
here's another. You need two. Here's another one.
Yep. Awesome.
And I'm not sure how many cupboards are on the boat, but I got a lot of these. And oh, there should be. Thought I got two. No, they're all the same colour. There's just a lot of them. It's another one. I got this because it's a Beneteau.
Okay.
So how many do you need?
Well, I was going to do the ones in the bedroom.
Yep.
So which ones do you want on the bedroom cupboard?
Maybe a starfish and a, like one of each?
Let's pair them up, eh? So they got someone to talk to.
Well, let's go starfish then, if we have to pair them up. That would not be my preference, but...
Works for me.
Okay. What are you doing?
Well, I like to know where you like your knobs.
I think you know where I like my knob.
Yeah. Well, I figure that if we put it down a bit and we do something like 10 centimetres, so at night time we don't hurt ourselves. So something like that. How do you feel, like a knob there?
Sounds good.
Oh yeah. So let's move my bit. Interesting video, isn't it? Ready?
Yeah.
Oh wait, not there. Tricky. Rightio. Let's see if we can get this to go through. Can you hold the camera over? Wow. There you go. There's one. A little bit the same distance. Is that about right?
I reckon.
Yeah?
Maybe a bit lower.
Oh, that's the height. Is right.
Oh, okay.
From
That's what
there.
I'm saying. It looks a bit lower. Looks like you're a bit high. Higher than this one.
Where's that reached? 300. Hmm. That's just bang on.
Okay.
And how far in is it? 20? Oh yeah, there's my problem. Okay. Come in a bit. Here I go again. I'm not really in a good position for this, am I? There you go, everyone. By knobs.
Perfect.
There you go. So I'll tighten them up, have a vacuum. Job done.
Good job, babe.
Yeah.